Can you download more apps on a Vizio Smart TV? No. Vizio Smart TVs do not allow users to download additional apps manually. Instead, they use the SmartCast platform, which comes with a fixed set of pre-installed apps. These apps are updated automatically by Vizio, and users cannot add or remove them. However, there are alternative ways to access more apps using screen mirroring, casting, or external streaming devices. 1. How apps work on Vizio Smart TVs. Vizio Smart TVs rely on SmartCast, which does not support manual app downloads. Instead, the TV includes a selection of pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more. These apps are managed by Vizio and receive automatic updates. 2. How to access more apps on a Vizio Smart TV. Step 1. Use Chromecast or AirPlay. Vizio SmartCast supports Google Chromecast and Apple AirPlay, allowing users to cast apps from their smartphone or tablet to the TV. Step 2. Use external streaming devices. A Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast can provide access to thousands of apps that are not available on SmartCast. Step 3. Use a gaming console. Devices like PlayStation or Xbox allow users to download and stream additional apps. Step 4. Screen mirroring. Mirror apps from a smartphone to the TV using AirPlay for iPhones or Chromecast for Android devices. 3. Checking available apps on SmartCast. To see which apps are available, press the V button or Home button on the remote. Browse the SmartCast home screen to see the list of pre-installed apps. Apps update automatically, so there is no need for manual updates. 4. Using streaming devices for more apps. Since Vizio Smart TVs do not allow app downloads, the best way to access more apps is by connecting a streaming device such as Roku offers a large app store with thousands of channels. Amazon Fire Stick supports a wide range of streaming services and apps. Apple TV provides access to Apple's app ecosystem. Google Chromecast allows users to stream from their phones and access additional apps. 5. Troubleshooting app issues on Vizio Smart TV. If an app is not working properly, restart the TV and check the internet connection. Update the TV firmware by going to Settings, then System, then check for updates. Reset the TV to factory settings if apps fail to load or crash frequently. Vizio Smart TVs do not support downloading more apps, but users can still access a wide range of content through built-in SmartCast apps, casting, and external streaming devices. To get the best experience, Chromecast, AirPlay, or a streaming device can provide access to more apps.